Good day, my dear students. For today, we will tackle about solving exponential function. At the end of this video lesson, you must be able to solve exponential equation and identify what properties you used. In solving exponential equation, we must consider the one-to-one property of exponential function. It says that if b to the n power is equal to b to the m power, then n is equal to m. So, sabi daw kapag ang base nila ay parehas, we can get the exponent and their exponent are equal. So, ito yung sinasabi nating one-to-one property of exponential function. So let's have number 1. Suppose we have solve the value of x in number 1. 4 to the x plus 1 is equal to 64. So para ma-apply natin itong one-to-one property of the exponential function, kailangan parehas daw sila ng base. Itong 4, dapat parehas din dito yung base dito. At para maging parehas sila ng base, we all know that this 64 is equivalent to 4 cube. So, since they have equivalent base, meron silang equal na base, we can get their exponent. And that is x plus 1 is equal to 3 by one-to-one property of exponential function. So, ulit, itong x plus 1 is equal to 3 ay galing dun sa ating exponent. Since parehas sila ng base, so we can get their exponent. And then after that, we can get now the value of x. So kung halimbawa, we can get the value of x, we will apply the addition property of equality. So para yung ating positive 1 ay ma-eliminate, so i-add natin siya ng negative 1 both sides because of the additional property of equality. So dito, so mawawala na po si positive 1 at saka si negative 1, matitira na lang si x. And this one naman, 3 minus 1 will give 2. So ang ating sagot, x is equal to 2. So let's proceed now to our second example. We have 3 raised to 4x is equal to 9 raised to quantity x plus 1. So, to apply the one-to-one property of exponential function, iisip tayo kung ano ba yung base na magkakatulad sila. So, since itong 9, we all know that this 9 is equivalent to 3 square. Diba? So, from here, ayan, so magkakaroon na sila ng same base. Since sila ay same base na because of the one-to-one property of equality, so kukunin na natin yung kanilang exponent. After we get their exponent, we can now simplify. So itong 4x, 4x pa din. And then ito namang kabila is 2 times x that will give us 2x. And then 2 times 1, we can have 2. And then after that, kailangan itong 2x ay ilalagay din natin, pagsasamahan kasi natin, we will combine the like terms. So, yung sinasabi ninyong transpose, itong 2x, itra-transpose, magiging negative, wala tayong property na ganon. Kung tutuusin, meron tayong tinatawag na addition property of equality. So, sinasabi dito sa addition property of equality, kung ano yung iyong idinagdag dito sa left side, yun din ang idadagdag mo sa right side. And to eliminate this 2x, So, ang idadagdag natin is yung kanyang inverse, and that is negative 2x. So, in this way, kapag halimbawa, 2x minus 2x, so magkakancel na siya. So magiging na siyang 0. And then, kung halimbawa, kung ano yung dinagdag mo dito, yun din dapat ang idadagdag mo sa left side. So, kaya magkakaroon tayo ng 4x minus 2x. And then, from that, we can have 2x is equal to 2. So, yun yung natira sa atin. And then, after that, to get the value of x, we can now apply the multiplication property of equality. Diba, ang ginagawa ninyo is dinidivide natin sa 2. Both sides. Pero kung tutuusin, hindi naman tayo talaga, wala tayong property na ganun ha. So, ang kailangan natin gawin is to multiply both sides by 1/2. And that is what we call the multiplication property of equality. So, i-multiply natin. I-multiply natin itong left side. So, 1/2 times 2x. So, that will give us x. And then, ito namang kabila, 2 times 1/2. That will give us 2 over 2. And that is equivalent to 1. So, sa madaling sabi, ang ating x is equivalent to 1. And that is our final answer. So, let's have another example. We have 4 raised to 3x is equal to 8 raised to the quantity of x minus 1. So, para ma-apply natin yung one-to-one property of exponential function, titingnan ulit natin yung ating base. Yung 4 tsaka 8. So, ano ba yung base na pwede nilang magkatulad? So, we all know this 4 is equivalent to 2 square. And then, itong 8, ano naman ito? That is 2 cube. So, in this way, we can write as 2 squared. So, 2 squared, tapos ay times 3x, then dito naman, 2 raised to the 3 times x minus 1. So, since parehas na sila ng kanilang base, we can get now the exponent. So, matitira na lang dito is yung kanilang exponent. And then, after we get the exponent, we can now simplify. So, itong 2x, magiging siyang, 6x. And then, dito naman sa kabila, 3 times x, 3x. And then, 3 times negative 1, that is negative 3. And then after nun, we will combine now the similar terms. So by applying the addition property of equality, ayan, so we will combine the like terms. So itong si 3x kasi dapat ay kasama ni 6x. So ano yung ating i-add both sides para ma-cancel natin or mawala itong si 3x? And that is negative 3x. So, kung ano yung dinagdag natin sa left side, yun din ang idadagdag natin sa right side. So, from here, 6x minus 3x, that will give us 3x. Tapos, dito naman sa kabila, mangyayari is makakancel na natin itong 3x. Kasi 3x minus 3x is 0. And from that, we can have now 3x is equivalent to negative 3. And then, to get the value of x, ano yung gagawin natin? So, ulitin ha, wala tayong yung property na dinidivide natin both sides. Ano yung dinidivide? So, meron tayo lang tinatawag na multiplication property of equality. So, ano yung itatimes natin doon sa parehas na panig? And that is times 1/3. So, itong 1/3 times 3x, matitira na lang si x dito sa left side na ito. And then, dito naman, negative 3 times 1/3, matitira naman ay sino? Negative 1. So, ang magiging sagot natin is x is equal to negative 1. And to summarize our video lesson, in solving exponential function, we must use the one-to-one property of exponential function. If b raised to n is equal to b raised to m, then n is equal to m. So, tatandaan ninyo, kapag halimbawa, parehas na sila ng base, we can get the exponents at sila daw ay equal. And then, the property, sum of the property of equality used in exponential function is addition property of equality and the multiplication property of equality. So, kung tutuusin, madami tayong property ng equality. Pero ito yung kalimitan na gagamitin natin or ginagamit natin sa property of equality. So, ulitin ko ha, wala tayo ng tinatawag na property na tinatranspose at wala rin tayong property noong tayo i-divide both sides. Kasi kung yung tutuusin, that is the addition property of equality at multiplication property of equality. Your task for this video lesson is to solve the values of x in the following exponential equation. Write your solutions in your notebook.